In this video, I will be telling you how to reset Hotpoint washing machines and the washer. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. I will be telling you a complete guide how the process works. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. I have specified the method according to the research that I have done, and these are the only method that you can perform in order to get the issue fixed. The number one thing is the general reset method. For that, all you have to do is to unplug the machine, then disconnect the washing machine from the power outlet, and then wait. Leave it unplugged for 2-3 minutes, allow the system to reset it automatically, and then plug it back in, reconnect the machine to the power outlet, and then this will fix the issue if it's a general reset process. If you want to reset code method, which is turn the dial, set the wash cycle dial to off, and then press and hold the power button. Press and hold the power button, start, pause button, and spin button simultaneously for 5 seconds and restart the machine. Select your desired cycle and press the start button again. So this will fix the issue. If the issue still persists, what you guys can do. So let me break it to you guys. These are some information that I have gathered from the internet. This is a Daniel, which is a UK appliances technicians. He have experience for like more than 30 plus years, and he said that sorry, not good news. There isn't a factory reset on these washers. It's done by laptop. Hotpoint have only they can reprogram the washers with 3 laptops. I know it's a pain in the neck. It is for us as usual, as even when new boards are fitted, they are supplied blank, so need to be programmed with either a smart card reader or smart card, which is about 150 pounds for the software, or you get Hotpoint in the other fixed price repair, which is 15 euros, and they do it on their laptops. So this is the only method you guys can fix it. I hope you find this video helpful.